Welcome back to our channel, Team RNers. Today's topic is for someone who is planning to take OET in few days. How to prepare and to get success in OET. Those who are planning to take OET after 2 months, they have ample of time. This video is for those who are planning to take OET in a month. You may have a question in your mind, can I succeed in OET? And the answer is yes. You can definitely succeed with perseverance and time management. To get success in OET, you have to keep two things in your mind: time and resources. Time. Please use the time most appropriately and wisely. Many OET aspirants are working professional. Hence, you may not get time to study and prepare for the exam. As we all know, OET has 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Use your traveling time to listen to some podcasts in English to enrich your vocabulary. This can help you in all 4 modules. Resources or material. Selecting and practicing appropriate material is the most important. Across the internet, you may find a lot of OET materials that may not be appropriate or as per the format created by OET. You can visit OET official website and collect free samples uploaded there for each module and start practicing it. You can also find their official website link below for your reference. Now I'll be talking about each modules, how to prepare and how to practice it. The first one is reading. If you have time in the morning, please use it for reading module, as you will be more relaxed and you will be able to read and understand the task easily. Try to finish all the parts of reading subtests so that you will be trained with the exam ambience. American Journal is a very good resource for reading module. Please do at least one set in a day. Now next on our list is listening. You can do this whenever you get free time and a peaceful environment. Try to finish all parts of the listening subtest. Listen to BBC News and Global Podcast for you to be competent with different accents. Never give yourself an excuse to call it a day without doing a complete set of listening module. Now let's move to writing. Write as many letters as you can and finish the letter with the correct format. OET official website has a few writing samples. Read it very carefully, understand and implement those criteria in your letter. Try giving your letter to someone who can correct it. If you don't have anyone to correct it, there are ample free websites that can be used to check your grammar and sentences. Never give yourself an excuse to call it a day without writing at least one letter. Now let's move to the last topic, which is speaking module. Now let's talk about speaking. Many candidates finds it useful to record themselves speaking, perhaps asking a friend or a colleague to take part in sample role play from OET websites. Try practicing speaking looking into a mirror. Speak loudly, boldly, and clearly. Please do not be panicked if you don't have an accent. OET is not looking for your accent. Instead, they just want you to speak clearly, correctly, and how confidently, using the most appropriate words and grammar. When you speak to a patient, relative, or to your colleague, they must understand your English. This is the main motive of speaking module. Here comes the last and the final session of the video. You should finish at least 30 sets of each module before the exam. Listen to as many as podcasts or other documentary you can. Try not to watch the video but listen to it and try to understand the accent and learn vocabulary. Learn at least one new word each day which can be used in OET writing. Learn some basic grammar. Last but not least, keep practicing. And yes, you can do it. Please do not forget to like the video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a new video on OET. So happy learning and thanks for watching from the entire Team RNS crew. See you soon with yet another video. Till then, bye. Take care.